Family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so we are at Dollar Tree. I just need to get a few items. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. If not, do understand and get it's going to get better once your perception gets better. So I am here for a few items. First of all, honey, I need more socks. Oh well, look at this. Dollar Tree. Honey, is it just me or have Dollar Tree always had this stuff? Okay, let's see. This is nice. Ooh, look at this. So this is war removable tile decals. Okay. This is really, really nice. Very nice. Ooh, I like this. So these are $1.25. This is really, really good. Okay, Dollar Tree. And then they have some larger pieces here, which is really, really nice. Ooh, this is good. I haven't seen this, the last time I was in here, I never seen this. I guess $1.25 is moving on up, okay? And then they have these 6-scented wax melts. Ooh, they smell real good. Okay. Ooh. Okay, Dollar Tree. Let me find out. Honey, let's see how this smells. Okay, so let's see how this smells. So this is Tranquil Calming. Ooh. Honey, you better watch your mouth, okay? Because Dollar Tree coming through, okay? Ooh, this one I don't care for. Now, you may be able to... Ooh. Honey, this smells so good. So this is bougie. This is... Huh?
Can we get this?
No, y'all just got some stuff. Y'all just got a toy from Stop and Shop. Okay, so this one, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Got the one name. APAISANT. Honey, this smells so good. Ooh, this smells so good. So I'm here at Dollar Tree with my sister, okay? I don't know if she knew they had candles, because... Did I tell you I thought I was too good for $1.25, okay? I thought I was too good for this store. So good. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, let's come here. Well, let's see what we really came here for. Now, honey, I'm getting sidetracked. Let me stay focused. Let me just stay focused, okay? Now, ooh, okay. So $1.25 have some hangers. Now these hangers, these are children hangers because they too damn little. Okay. Did you see those candles over there? You knew Dollar Tree sold candles?
They sell everything in here.
But those candles, they smell so good. All right, family, 1 second. Let me just show my sister these candles, okay? And look, I don't need nobody saying, girl, you late. They been selling candles. Okay, didn't I just tell you I'm new here?
Can we get this? Mommy, can we get this?
No, I'm not getting it. See, that's stuff. Okay, so let's see. So let me, honey, when you having your children with you and you taking them shopping, well, you going shopping because you need some stuff for the house. And they want this, they want that. Oh, look at this. I know they had some veggie meatballs. Oh, wow. So all natural, meat and soy free, no preservatives. Look at this. Okay. Okay, honey. $1.25 coming through. Honey, you better watch out now. Okay, now what do I need? So, I have some herbs that I had brought a few months ago. Okay, And you know, like once you buy herbs, the herbs is supposed to really be like in a glass jar. It's not supposed to be like in a plastic, right? Plastic bag, because it loses its life being in a plastic bag. So that's the main reason I came in here, because I just wanted to get some glass jars. Whoever had these? I do not care for these. These do not, they do not taste good to me at all. Okay, honey, I'm trying to find, oh, and I gotta get socks. I'm trying, honey, every time I come here, we need socks. And I just did laundry. Oh, and Renews wrap I need. Okay. Honey, it feels like I'm walking in goddamn circles. Okay. Let me see. Okay, wait. Okay, I see the foil pans here. Okay, the aluminum foil. Heavy duty. I wonder how heavy this really is. Okay. Is it really heavy duty or is it light? Let me see. But you can't be complaining for $1.25, honey. Not for no doggone dollar. Okay. Now, I see they have the jars. But the jars that they have here, I see these jars, I need like a really, really big, like a tall jar, so I could take those herbs out of the container that they in. Okay, so I don't know. Don't seem like they have the jars here. Okay, excuse me. It's okay. Oh, look at these St. Patty's stuff. Not that I celebrate the holidays, but oh, so this is cute. So just in case if you guys don't know, green is my favorite color. I don't know if it's because of the money or what.
Check whatever is left over there in the front.
But this is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay, you guys know I love me some of these, honey. I think if you don't have these, if you using regular dish rags, you gotta get with it. Okay, these is $1.25, honey, and you can just throw these out. Very good.
What? So these are carrots that I made out of yarn and paper.
Oh, it's made out of yarn and paper?
Yeah, so these almost like puppets.
Oh, almost like puppets. Oh, nice. Okay, carrot picks. Okay. All right.
Wait.
But honey, we ain't getting it today. Okay, so all right, family. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what is your favorite item that you buy from here, from $1.25. I definitely, and you know what's crazy? Because before I would be going to what is that balloon place? Balloon place. Party City. I would be going to Party City like a night. One year I spent, what was it, $50 on balloons. I could have came right here to the $1.25 to get the doggone balloons, okay? Honey, listen, okay? So let me know what's your favorite item that y'all normally come to $1.25 Dollar Tree for. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!